This is part 2 of the replacement of the stock mufflers to the Alleycat mufflers. I'm going to have to move the camera to a specific place to give you a true representation of the sound. We really like the mufflers. You'll be able to take this sound and maybe compare that to what you have of your stock exhaust or of part 1 of my video that I've uploaded. So bear with me. I'll move the camera into position and give you this new sound. I hope that helps. We really like the mufflers and hope you enjoy them too.